In this very quick lesson, we're going to explore some of the common troubleshooting issues and fixes for when you're having issues printing from Word. When your file fails to print, I always start with the quick fixes first, such as, is the printer turned on? Is there paper in the printer? Is there ink in the printer? Including all of the different colors. Some printers will not print unless every cartridge has ink. Even if you don't need that color for your print job, are the cables secure? If it's a wireless printer, is it connected to the wireless network? Is that printer in a pause state? Always make sure that the printer drivers are up to date. And finally, is Windows and Office up to date as well? If the quick fixes do not solve the issue, then it's time to move on to other troubleshooting techniques, starting with, can you print other documents, or is it just the one that's giving you a hard time? Can you print from other programs? If you can't print from Word, can you print from PowerPoint or Excel? Can you print with different print drivers or a different printer? You'll also want to use the default settings, and to do that you'll need to remove the Word data registry key. I showed you how to do that in a previous video. Refer back to that one, but please make sure you back up that key first. And finally, test to see if there's other issues occurring within the operating system itself. Following these quick tips and tricks, you should be able to resolve your printing issue.